Hey guys, today we will be drawing this cartoon looking fish. I already have the sketch made, so let's dive into coloring. I will be using the finished drawing as a reference for colors. If you want to follow along, you can make a screenshot of it and import it as a reference for yourself. Starting with lowering the opacity of the sketch layer to 15% and drawing the final shape of the head with a red color. Now let's make the body the same way on a new layer. Putting the sketch layer on the top so we can see through the colors. New layer for the hands and drawing it with a purple color. We drew the back fins on the same layer as the hands, but we want to place the fins behind the body layer, so we will cut it out using the freehand selection tool, swiping 3 fingers down and choosing cut and paste. Now it's on a separate layer and we can place it below the body layer. Draw in the heart. Now the face features. We will continue everything on a new layer to make it easier to edit if we want to. Duplicating the iris and merging the 2 layers together. I'm going to add the light glow in now because it makes the eyes a lot cuter. And a new layer for the mouth. By selecting the mouth layer, I'm able to draw only in this area, which makes it easier to add in details without crossing the edges of the mouth. Doing the same thing for the tail by selecting the body layer. We have all the base colors now, so we can start adding shadows. I will add shadows using clipping mask above every body part using the soft brush. You can always select the soft brush as an eraser and remove some of the shadows that got too dark. Okay, let's finish rest of the shadows fast. Using a light blue color to give a 3D look to the eyes. Changing the background to this blue color and adding some lights to the character on a top layer using white. Now for the background, making a simple gradient using a darker blue color with soft brush. And we will add some simple bubbles to it later. Adding the bubbles on a new layer with the ellipse selection tool and drawing the edges of it by slightly pressing the pen using the soft brush and erasing some of it away. Now we can duplicate the bubbles, drag them and lower the size of them. I'm going to merge all these bubbles into one layer, and to finish the drawing I'm going to add some lights coming from the top. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you stay till the end, I appreciate you. Leave a comment below and like the video if you want to help the channel grow, and I will see you in the next one.